Good day. I want to show you how to sign up for appointments on Canvas. And in this particular case, you're going to have an opportunity to sign up to make an extra credit religion presentation outside of class. So if you're on the Canvas course page for this class, you go to the calendar tab, select that. Then what you do is you go to the Find Appointment tab on the right, select that, and then you have the choice, this class here, you submit it. And then you'll notice that at this point, the appointments remaining are Wednesday during lunch and activity period and Thursday during lunch. So say they're all in 5-minute blocks. This is what is available. So you select the 12:20. You can put a comment like, oh, Mr. Caraval, I can't wait to see you. Hit reserve, and then that spot is yours. You just come to J124 and we are good to go, baby.